Okay, guys, this is the first worksheet that you're doing here online for me, especially when doing math problems. It is possible for you to show your work, and that is what I want you to do. I'm going to go through that with you right here. Um, this is actually your worksheet that you're looking at right here, so everybody should get number one right, okay, with no problems. Again, for you to get credit on doing any type of problems in my class, you do have to show your work. If you don't show your work, I will not give you any credit. Okay, so you will have to show your work on all 10 problems here. So I'm just, as I said, going to go through what I'm talking about here with you. Um, you can change font color if you wish, just do not use red. Okay, I'm going to choose green here for your town. So, if Steve throws a ball 50 meters in 3 seconds, what is the average speed? Okay, now if you look at the little triangle up above and just below, I have the equations for you. In this particular case, you're finding average speed. Speed is right here. Now, the way this triangle works is, how do you find speed? Well, distance is over time, so distance divided by time. So I would like you to put speed equals distance. You can underline that. Over time. Okay, so you've set up the equation. I know that equation. Right away, I'll know if you have the problem ready to go and if you're doing it right. Now, as I said, we're just going to go through this. Sorry about that. That underline wasn't supposed to be there. Let me get rid of it. I'm having issues. Okay. Get rid of that. And there we go. So, now I'm going to do exactly what I did before. I want to underline this. So what is my distance? I look up in my problem right here. I can see that I have a distance of 50 meters. Okay, a distance of 50 meters. So I'm simply going to type in then 50 meters. Now if you just want to abbreviate that, that's perfectly fine. Use an M, or if you want to write it out, it does not matter to me. Okay, then we'll just scroll down here and we will do our time. Okay, if we look back up in our problem here, we have a time of 3 seconds. Okay, so again, I'm just going to hop down in here. I'm going to type that in 3 seconds. And now we'll just work that out. Here you would take your calculator to do that. So I'm just going to do it right here out of my launch pad here. I'm going to pull up my calculator right up here in the top. I'm simply going to take 50, divide that by 3, and I'm going to get an answer of 16.66 repeating. So I'm just going to bring that down in here then and take 16, and then I'm just going to take that out 2 digits, 16.67. And then I'm going to look for my units. Again, this is a measurement. It needs units. I look at my problem here. I have meters over seconds. They do not cancel out, so I must include those in my answer. So meters slash seconds. And there I have my first problem. I have the equation I used. I have shown my work, what I am dividing, in this case dividing, and what my answer is going to be. So work all your problems in this fashion. Again, to get credit, you must show your work. I strongly suggest you get used to writing in your equations here. It'll help you as you go along. Okay, so complete the other 9 problems, get this submitted, and you'll be done for the day.